You clicked on this video because you want to be more interesting. Maybe you have a self-belief and you're thinking that you are boring, but this will change today. Because today I will show you 2 ways how to become more interesting. The first way you can do instantly, it's instant. The second way, of course, you need to wait for it like always, but if you combine these two together, you will be always an interesting person. And the first thing is you need broken things. Like me, I'm using a broken microphone. People who are using broken things are really interesting. Just kidding. Okay, the first thing is to work the feeling of desire. Today I went to the gym and I'm always using a scooter to go to the gym. And when I went home after the gym, a little kid was watching me because I was driving really fast on the scooter. And this kid was watching behind. Wow, this cool guy. It was like 4 years old, this kid. And I'm sure this kid wants to buy a scooter. And imagine the father sees this and buys the scooter instantly. Of course, the joy is there, instant gratification. But you know, the most powerful feeling in this world is desire. I want something. Desire is the cause why there's war. Desire is the cause why there's murder. They want love. They don't get it, they start killing. They're getting crazy. So if you use this feeling of desire to your advantage, you become really interesting person. You know what I'm saying? Not only for the kid. Imagine the father saying, okay, you want this scooter, then do this. This kid is waking up in the morning and saying, I want a scooter. Okay, let's do this, what my father says, and then he will buy me a scooter. All of a sudden you have a drive, motivation for life, because of the desire to get the scooter. Every person on this earth has a desire, whether it is being loved, whether it is become attention because you get it from your parents. And this goes right deep into the dating topic. But let's go to the dating topic. Imagine you're meeting someone and you like someone. Why people are push-pulling, why they're being unnatural, why the society's fucked off, why they're ghosting on purpose although they like the person. I did this too. I didn't message people for 2-3 days or whatever, 12-hour rule, whatever. So they don't think I'm needy, so they don't think I'm too available, so they don't think I'm too easy. I want them to feel the desire. Of course, at some point you will be honest, at some point you need to show that you like the person, but somehow in the starting dating game, everyone push-pulling, not answering, although they're 100% at the phone. Of course they are at their phone, they're not answering on purpose. Some people answer instantly, but this is rule number 2, the way number 2, if you have status. If you have status, it doesn't matter. I know it's superficial, but if you have many followers on social media, if you're the CEO of something, if you're a famous actor, of course, it doesn't matter if you feel the desire is always there. So, these are my secrets how to become more interesting. You can use it even on your own life. Imagine you're craving, I don't know, donuts. Instead of instantly going and reacting to this impulse, okay, I want donuts, you're going to the supermarket and buying it, instant gratification, you eat it and you feel, so much calories. Work with this desire, use it to motivate yourself. Okay, I will not buy donuts now, I want donuts, but I will shoot 3 videos, and after I shoot and edit all these videos, I will buy donuts. By this time, maybe you don't even want the donuts anymore, but you can check these things, okay? Sometimes you need to let the feeling sit, even if you're sad, sit with the feeling of sadness, see what's happening. You can cry, you don't need to cry, but many people are really impulsive about the feelings and they go instantly in them, reacting to things, and life is constantly reacting to life. This is stressing you out, this will make you sick, this will make you get older faster. Yes, so this is my secrets. I hope this video helped you. Write in the comments if it helped you, and if you want to use it, you can instantly become more attractive and more interesting when you use the feeling, I forgot the word, desire. And of course you can work to get status, get more followers, get a higher position in your job, whatever. But you can work on both and you'll be really more interesting. So see you guys. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.